You gonna get your stocking, Katie? See what's in it. Whoops.
I like your chocolate.
That's alright. Still tastes good.
These will be fun to watch
I
with the
got
kids.
a crayons. And that's another box of crayons.
What is that?
Look, crayons.
I'm thinking they were made in the 70s. We watched these when we were kids.
Yeah.
I got the same.
We used to have them on beta.
Wow, look at that. That's cool.
Ooh, I got bubbles.
Well, who doesn't love bubbles?
Yeah, I have a feeling that
Hey, Katie, can you
Maybe
scoot in
watching
closer to
them
Charlie?
now.
I got new crayons.
You did.
That's like I did. My crayons are out of the box.
How'd they get out of the box?
I don't think this one's for me.
Oh.
Charlie, bud?
Oh. Yeah.
I think you better open that.
Winners for the big gun. I have the big circle thing that I think I needed. And I hope it has a remote. I hope it has a remote.
I don't know.
No shell in there. Here. Guys. Hey, I had that kind of one, but he's black. See, it's the same as him, but they're different colors.
Wow.
See, Daddy? See?
Yeah.
Both the same, but not both the same color. They will have gear. Like gears. Now we can finally play this game. Finally. Daddy, and your little one was that? I always
Yeah, these are movies.
More crazy.
We'll watch these together. These will be fun to watch with everybody.
What else is in that stocking, Katie? What's in yours, Charlie?
Can't tell you yet.
Can't tell you yet, she says.
Another chocolate. I got 4 chocolates.
Wow. That'll be fun to share those chocolates.
Now 5.
I didn't get those out of that.
And the rest is just candy canes. A whole lot of candy canes.
So you can get a sugar high.
Yeah, some of them will be broken things, but some of them will be broken.
That's okay. They still taste the same.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. I got bubbles too. Oh my God. And a lot of candy canes.
Wow.
3 chocolates. See? Look at the heart.
That's cool.
I'm gonna coming down with this. Screw you on an airplane. Screw you on an airplane. We needed. No, screw you on an airplane.